If you've been researching VA loans and how they work, you're going to want to pay attention. For serving your country, a fantastic benefit you earned is being eligible to take out a VA loan. Let's be clear, you're not limited to just applying for a VA loan. If your finances allow for it, you can apply for a conventional mortgage.
He didn't really just say what I think he said.
What?
The benefit of taking out a VA loan is not having to make a down payment. On the other hand, with the conventional mortgage, you'll typically need to make a sizable down payment. Some lenders will accept as little as 5%, but many require at least 10%.
Jim, that sounds about right. We were expecting that.
If you can afford to pay the mortgage on a home, but don't have the money in your savings for a down payment, then a VA loan might seem like a good solution. But here's the rub. There is a downside to not putting any money down on a home, and it's important to be aware of it before moving forward.
Yeah, right. Go on, Gordy, it's a swell story.
The potential danger of not putting any money down at closing when buying a home is ending upside down on your mortgage. When you're upside down, your loan balance is higher than what your home can sell for. I serve in Williamson and Travis County in Austin, Texas, where the market is red hot, and homes are going for 20, 30, even 50,000 over asking because there simply isn't enough inventory to keep up with the high demand.
This is such bullshit. You all got that right.
This can prove to be a problematic scenario because when the market cools off, your home could potentially be worth less than what you paid for. Heaven forbid you run into unforeseen circumstances because let's face it, stuff happens and you might need to sell your home.
When it rains, it pours.
The less money you put down on your home when you buy it, the more you might increase your chances of ending up upside down on your mortgage, especially in today's housing market. Right now, home values are way up on a national level and rents are skyrocketing up. That's part of the reason why you may be looking at a VA loan in the first place. You can't afford a down payment on a conventional loan. Say you take out a mortgage with no money down based on today's home prices and your home value starts to come down, you could end up with negative home equity, where your home's market value is less than your mortgage balance.
I'm puzzled by this.
Scenario time. Imagine you buy a home today with no money down thanks to a VA loan for $300,000, but that home would normally sell for only $260,000. Remember, red hot market. If in a year home value stabilized, you might still owe a good $290,000 on your mortgage. But if your home value drops down to $260,000, at that point you're upside down.
Rethink the whole dang thing.
Now, if you're able to keep up with your mortgage payments and don't want to move, that's not so problematic. But if your financial situation changes, or if your military orders change and you need to move, you'll effectively be stuck like Chuck.
You know, that's a funny story. People always laugh at that story.
If you sell your home for $260,000, you won't get enough money from that sale to repay your lender. So you might have to raid your savings to repay your lender in full. Or you might get stuck having to do a short sale, which could damage your credit score anyways, if your lender even agrees to one. That's why I urge you to be careful with the VA loan. Skipping the down payment might seem like a good idea at first, but it can also backfire. As a fellow veteran myself, I want you to be careful and explore all your options because circumstances change and the housing market can shift if you're not working with an agent and a lender who's been in your shoes and understands military culture.
All right.
Chances are interest rates won't stay put at multi-decade lows for much longer. That's why taking action today is mission critical, whether you want to refinance to cut your mortgage payment or are ready to pull the trigger on a new home purchase. Having someone in your corner will give you the peace of mind so you can focus on more important things. I have partnered with veteran lenders that can help you because every situation is unique to your story. Veterans helping veterans is a beautiful thing. Let's tackle this together.